We'll guide you through how to add 2D text in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To add 2D text in Blender, begin by opening the desktop Start menu on your computer and typing Blender into the search bar, then double-click the application to launch the software. Once Blender is open, start a new project or open an existing file, depending on your needs. After entering the workspace, delete the default cube by pressing the X key on your keyboard and selecting Delete to clear the scene. Next, press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Hover over the text option and click it to insert a text object into the scene. You will now see the default word text appear in the center of your workspace. Press Tab to enter edit mode for the text object so you can modify its content. Remove the existing text by pressing Backspace until it is cleared, then type the new text you want to display. When you are done typing, press Tab again to return to object mode. Now move to the Properties panel on the right side of the interface and click the Text Properties icon, which looks like a green letter A. In the Geometry section, set the extrude value to 0 to keep the text completely flat, ensuring it remains two-dimensional. Also set the bevel depth to 0 so no thickness is added to the edges. If you want to customize the appearance, scroll down to the Font section and choose a different font style as needed. Continue by using the Object Data properties to adjust spacing, alignment, or size for better layout control. Finally, switch to Top View by pressing Numpad 7 so you can easily align and position the 2D text within your scene. Its positioning can be refined by moving, rotating, or scaling the text using the transform tools located in the toolbar or by pressing the G, R, and S keys for quick adjustments. Make sure the text lies flat along the desired axis so it behaves like a true 2D element in your composition. You can also enable orthographic view for a more accurate alignment without perspective distortion. If necessary, adjust the camera angle to frame the text properly for rendering. Save your project to preserve the changes and ensure your 2D text setup is ready.